said hello. I came to hold you, but something in your eyes left my heart beating so. I just know that I'm in love with you. After a long, long while, I'd love again. It was destiny's sign, but when love finally came on, I was in line only to find that you were gone. Where you are, I fear that I might have lost you forever. Like the sun tonight, you know I love again. After a long, long while, I'd love again. It was destiny's fate, but when love finally came on, I was in line only to find that you were gone. Beautiful girl, I'll search on for you till all of your loveliness in my arms come through. You made me love again. After a long, long while, I love again, and I'm glad that it's you. Gusto ko po. Okay na ba? Pasensya na ho, natense ako dito sa Sir Salutes. Isa pa po. Hey, there's a look in your eyes, there's the love at first sight. Your world is part of me, nothing more so it seems. But my love couldn't wait much longer. Just can't forget the picture of your smile. Cause every time I close my eyes, you come alive. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time, we'll be together. Give a little smile, the special smile, a twinkle in your eye, a while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can get closer. You and I. Salit natin sa kanya. Kaya naman ako. So much stronger than before. My heart is a sun like a dream, so much more so it seems. I guess I found my inspiration. With just one smile you take my breath away. So hold me close and stay with me now. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Hello, man. Hold your time, just a little more time. girl in your island a little while. Give it time, just a little more time, so we can be closer, you and I. Hello po kayong dasala sa lahat po ng mga judges. Magandang gabi po. Salamat po.